So in the beginning, my teacher, Mr. DeVries, asked everyone in the class to do all that we could about an element. So I spent years of research going to the desert to try to find out what I could, and I was saved by a man. This is how it went.
Hey, friend.
Hello.
What are you doing out here in this heat?
Well, what's it look like I'm doing? I'm digging for sulfur, of course. I'm gonna strike it rich.
Strike it rich. You're not gonna strike it rich. Digging for sulfur with only a shovel, you're gonna die of heat exhaustion.
So you're telling me I was wasting thousands of dollars coming out here to the desert for no apparent reason?
Yep.
Wow, I guess I should have just stayed in my igloo in Canada.
Canada?
Yeah?
You didn't do any research before you came? There's a giant sulfur industry in Western Canada.
What? Wow, well that was a complete bust.
Well, I wouldn't say a complete bust. You learn from your mistakes.
I guess.
Look, come on back to my place and I'll teach you a lot more about the sulfur industry.
Alright.
Tell me what you know about sulfur.
Well, I know it's quite valuable and it's found in the earth.
That's sort of true. It's valuable, but not extremely valuable like oil or gold. And it isn't exactly found in the earth. It was originally discovered in ancient times in Sicily after volcano eruptions.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Do you know where most of the world's sulfur goes to?
I don't know, matches or something?
Ha, no. Most of the world's sulfur goes into creating sulfuric acid, which we then use in, for example, fertilizers.
Really?
Yeah, did you know that it isn't toxic either?
No, I didn't. So, what's another property of sulfur, like the appearance or something?
Well, the appearance is an important one. It looks like a lemon yellow microcrystal.
Wow, so what you're telling me is that I need to find these lemon-shaped crystals in the earth, and that's supposedly sulfur?
That's right. So you just remember that when life gives you lemon microcrystals from a volcano, you make fertilizer.
Wow, alright, thanks, man. How can I ever repay you?
No need for payment. You wasted enough time coming out to the desert already. Just use the information I gave you and do some more research.
Alright, thanks, man.
After years of research from making it out of the desert alive, because that strange man that saved me, I have discovered the following things. Firstly, whenever you strike a match, the smell that you smell, that's actually sulfur. And no, it's not toxic. The atomic number for sulfur is 16. Its symbol is a capital S. The name is sulfur. And the atomic mass is 32.07. This is the balanced equation for sulfuric acid, mostly used for fertilizers or other things. Some other little neat things that I learned is that 85% of sulfur is made into sulfuric acid, and also it is a component of gunpowder. It was almost as though all the time was wasted in all those years getting that much information, but hey, I know enough now to go strike it rich, so you might see me on the cover of a magazine or something someday. See you soon.